All right, you guys, we got Suspicious Minds. You guys, I've been wanting to watch this, so I'm going to watch it with you guys. All right, let's enjoy this. Elvis Presley, Suspicious Minds. All right. Hey. Caught in a trap. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that reaction. Man, that Elvis, he has some moves, okay? Somebody in the comment section a while back said that he had jelly legs. That man could move, okay? Woo! All right. Y'all want to hear more reactions? I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying this. Hit me up in the comment section below. Let me know some of your suggestions. Oh, yeah. Give me some thumbs up. And then if y'all give me thumbs up and y'all share me out and I get more subscribers that want to see more and hear more reactions of Elvis, that means y'all want to hear more from me doing these reactions. So let's see what you got. Let's see if we can get some views on this video, on these Elvis videos. Y'all go check out my playlist. I got a reactions playlist. Oh yeah, baby. See you to the next video, and don't forget to share, and share because you care. All right, and that you want to hear and see more reaction videos, not just of Elvis, of whoever else you guys want me to hear and do reactions on. Oh yeah, baby. See you next video.